The Kentucky Graduate Profile Academy is a statewide initiative spearheaded by the Council on Post-Secondary Education. It involves all institutions in the Commonwealth of Kentucky. The objective is to align the knowledge, skills, and abilities that students need to propel them through life. Hello, my name is Dr. Frederick Williams. I serve as the team lead for the Kentucky Graduate Profile team at Kentucky State University. I'm sure you're wondering what the 10 essential skills are. Well, they're essential skills that have been deemed by employers to be important to have or possess by new graduates. We refer to them as the Thorough 10. The Thorough 10 are: 1. Communicate effectively.
As a student, it is imperative that you know how to communicate effectively simply because it helps foster strong relationships. When you graduate from the university, you are able to use that skill in the workplace. It does not matter what job you are doing, whether it's nursing, engineering, you will also have to speak with your supervisor, your peers, and also your coworkers.
2. Think critically in order to solve problems and create new ideas and solutions.
As a Kentucky State University student, you will be challenged with using your critical thinking skills every day with your peers or in the classroom. The critical thinking skills that you develop will be the same ones that you will use in your professional setting when you go to your first job. You'll be using them to communicate with your colleagues and also to come up with new ideas in an individual setting or with your group and present new solutions.
3. Apply quantitative reasoning skills to analyze and solve numeric problems.
As an engineer, I'm particularly fond of essential skill number 3. It is a set of ideas, tools, and methodologies that I've used to get myself all the way through college, all the way through graduate school, and into the role I play today, the Vice Provost for Academic Affairs. I've never made a decision that didn't start with the analysis of data, because without it, I'm never sure where I'm going.
4. Interact effectively with people from different backgrounds.
Having various people from different backgrounds allows you all to come together to think of ideas that you may have not thought of on your own. This allows graduates to improve better learning environments and also be able to collaborate to make sure students receive the resources needed to be successful.
5. Adapt to changing circumstances while leading and supporting others. There's one thing that's certain about life is there's no certainty. Things are likely to change, and it's important for students that are moving into the workforce to be able to adapt to circumstances and to continue to take care of their responsibilities. 6. Perform professionally within their chosen field of study or occupation.
When students graduate from Kentucky State University, we want them to be prepared no matter what, whether it's going straight to graduate school, going into the career field, or going to the military. We want students to be prepared in that regard. And the way we prepare students that way is through internships, work-study positions. And within those positions, we want to make sure the students are getting these essential skills so they can embed that with their academic preparation, and that's what's going to make them job and professionally ready.
7. Engage in civic life to improve society.
Essential skill number 7 is important because it gives you a sense of purpose. It builds leadership and teamwork skills as you go and transition into the workforce.
8. Collaborate and work in teams.
It's an important skill to have as a student to help you navigate with your peers complex issues and also create effective solutions. As an aspiring police officer, collaboration and working in teams is a very important skill set learned and picked up from Kentucky State University that I am carrying over into my career field.
9. Apply academic knowledge, skills, and abilities to their chosen career.
Students need to have the opportunity to have discourse, conversations, applied learning, project-based experiences, and above all, internships. So what they learn in the classroom is immediately something that they see in the workforce. Let's face it, higher education is designed to make sure we prepare young minds and young opportunities for the workforce.
10. Use information for decision making.
As someone in my position, I use data and as much information from my coaches and staff as possible. Even gathering information from student athletes to make sure that we're making this process the best it could be. And as you think about your career, anything past college, the better decisions you make as you progress as a professional will be based on the data that you have in front of you. Essential skill number 10, along with the other 9, will prepare you for educational future goals, professional future goals, or if you plan to attack the workforce right out of school. But I promise you this, you'll need these skills and they'll take you a long way.
Well, I'm sure you're wondering why the thorough 10 are so important. Well, employers have repeatedly stated that recent graduates are underprepared or unprofessional. Many lack the soft skills necessary to excel in the workforce. This is where institutions like Kentucky State University are tasked with ensuring our graduates are well prepared to enter the workforce. Step 1 is to complete curriculum mapping. Now, this is done to assess all courses from first year experience through general education courses, through all the core courses of all majors to determine where the necessary skills currently exist and where they need to be embedded. Step 2 involves the backwards design process. The backward design process has 3 steps. 1. Identify the desired results. 2. Determine acceptable evidence. 3. Plan learning experiences and instruction. The backwards design process within our academic programs begins with determining what learners need to know and be able to do upon completion of the program. Step 3 involves assessment. Performance-based assessment, which excludes traditional tests and examinations, is captured at 3 different levels. The baseline level involves assessment upon entry into undergraduate studies. The milestone level involves assessment at approximately the 2-year point, and the capstone level involves assessment upon completion of a 4-year degree. Our ultimate goal is that our KSU graduates are thoroughly prepared. We hope you see the difference in our graduates.
At Kentucky State University, we're preparing our students for more than a degree. We're preparing them for life through a powerful statewide initiative known as the Graduate Profile Academy and the implementation of the 10 Essential Skills framework. We're helping students connect their college experience to the real world, to careers, to communities, and to a lifetime of learning.